Hi, I'm Nico Rustler, North American Pretzel and Snack Equipment Sales Manager at Redding Bakery Systems. You may know Redding Bakery Systems, but what you might not realize is that we've been shaping the snack food industry for over 130 years. We are more than just an equipment manufacturer. We are a trusted partner. Our reputation is built on delivering innovative solutions and fostering long-term relationships with our customers. From product development to full-scale production, we collaborate with your team to overcome process and product challenges, ensuring efficiency and quality at every stage. Our people apply decades of manufacturing and food engineering expertise to help you create successful snack products. With so many innovations, we could not be more excited for IBIE in September. On the show floor, we're excited to feature the new Emathermic XE oven, a revolutionary development in cracker baking technology. The XE oven was designed to replace traditional DGF ovens. It eliminates all ribbon burners, instead using a centralized penthouse to efficiently distribute heat to the Thermatec panels and convection nozzles. With only 6 control points and no ribbon burners, this oven is easy to control and has much easier cleaning and maintenance. This really is a game changer for the cracker industry. We will also feature our latest WCX wire cut machine with a new 4-roll head for greater flexibility and accuracy. This new machine has an expanded range of product capabilities, including standard and filled cookies and bars, multicolor products, filled and encapsulated cookies, pet treats, frozen dough applications, and more. Our booth will also feature many new snack and cookie innovations. You'll be able to see and taste products like protein-packed snacks, filled cookies and bars, and all kinds of seasoned pretzels and baked crisps. For the first time, visitors will be able to try new products, some of which were created at our Science and Innovation Center and not yet on the market. If you're looking for new ideas, you don't want to miss this. Last and certainly not least, don't miss our standalone mixing booth featuring our exact mixing, continuous mixers, and AMF batch mixing technology. These automated systems are very easy to operate and cut costs by reducing labor, energy, and mixing errors, while improving consistency and simplifying your entire mixing process. Now more than ever, with labor, energy, and cost containment issues, automation is the key to future success. We'd love to be a partner in your success story. From everyone at RBS, thanks for watching, and we'll see you at IBIE.